So I'm here today with Mark and we've got Tim in the background there. So what we're doing today, we're finding deals, calling agents and gonna hopefully get offers accepted before we even see the property pretty much. I would be offering in the region of 187,500. I invest, so I'll be a cash buyer. Okay. Is it still recording?
Yeah.
Hey, it's Mark Harvey here, and I'm excited to bring this video to you. Why? Because what was happening was there was a few people in our tribe that were saying they were finding it very difficult to find deals, get deals that worked, and get offers accepted in the time they had available. So guess what? We did a special session. We put this together so you guys could see exactly how we make it work as quickly as we make it work, and this is for your enjoyment.
So look, all you need is a calculator, a pen, some scrap paper, this laptop and a phone. That's it. We don't even need the laptop. Is this yours?
Yeah.
I don't think you can see the screen from there. Yeah, so look, the first thing that we're going to work out is what's the done-up value when we finish with. That's it. So where's your first property? Here's the principle. You've got to get used to agreeing with everything they say. Yeah, this is the key. Yeah, you see like this.
Yeah.
Just action. You see just from this one deal, all of this stuff. Now your details are on file. Now we made an impression. Now we talked about we know what we're doing. Yeah, all it's going to take is 3 or 4 of them with the same agent, and they're going to be like, yeah, these people are serious because they're relentless. And it's easy. You just find these deals and you just make 20 minutes a day. And in your case, 20 minutes a day on lunch break. In your case, you go all day. So there's no way that this can't happen. So we'll work these figures out based on your first property.
I've got a question with this. I worked my figures out on a HMO and then I went to view it and there's like no chance it could be a HMO.
Why is that?
Because there's like, it's a really odd property with the levels and the floors.
And
You'd have to like dig into the earth to make it a HMO.
so when you're in the hall, you can't stand up.
No, you gotta crouch.
So when you're here, you can't stand up.
No.
I mean, if that is true, I'll just leave it because there's so many other properties. You know, with all of this and this and this, it's just starts to think.
CHAMS.
Yeah, there you go. So let's make some more calls.
Well,
I've got a
Well,
question.
it's your call now.
Yeah.
What's your question? I don't know if I want to hear the question. I mean, I'll let you ask the question.
Just
We're
wondering
gonna
about
wait
the
till it's
process
close to this
of when you get in the planning agent to know if it's likely to go through in that area. Is it after you got the offer accepted?
Well, no, to get the done up value, you probably need to know anyway. I mean, in this case, if you're not already in with someone who you can quickly call and all the rest of it and get a quick answer, then let's see what the situation is with these first. And as long as they're willing to accept it in that area, then we go and do all of that stuff.
Yeah, cool. Okay.
Yeah. So the way we're going to make this call is we're going to do it together.
Alright,
So
yeah.
I'm going to tell them we're both here, you're going to say hello and all the rest of it, just so you can be involved, but also I can make sure we do it, yeah?
Yeah.
So where's the numbers? I don't know where the numbers are.
It's 185.
What's 185? This?
Yeah.
This is the number 7. Isn't the number in your phone?
Yeah, but I just need to double check. Alright.
You stole it, bro. Look how many got in there. Make the call. It's just a person, you know.
Judy speaking, how can I help you?
Hello, did you say this is sales as well?
Yes, this is Retrace, yes.
Yeah, hi. My name's Mark and my partner here is Jack. We're just looking at this property. It's a 3-bed on Nelson Road. You know the one that's up for...
Oh, yes, it was there.
Yeah, okay, cool. Can I speak to you about that?
I haven't been to the property myself. The probably best person to speak to would be my colleague Jack. He's just out on an appointment at the moment, so if I can have your name and number, can I get him to call you back?
Yeah, sure. I'll give you that in a second. Is Jack the only person that we could talk to in terms of he's been dealing with the vendor and things, or is there anyone else?
Yes, he is, yeah. He's the valuer, he took the property on, and he knows the vendor as well, yeah.
Okay, cool. And when did you say he's back?
He should be back, I would think, around about sort of 1 o'clock, I would say.
Yeah. Or is there a mobile as well where I can catch him when he's in the field?
We're not allowed to give out mobiles, I'm afraid.
Okay, no worries. If we give our details then,
Okay.
I'm not sure, would you be able to like, I don't know, can you email or text him to see if he can do that? Because we want to move pretty quickly, you see.
Right, okay. He will only be available when he's back. He's
Okay.
out on a meeting, so yeah.
No worries then. Yeah, let me give you my business partner's details. So his name's Jack.
Okay.
His name's Jack. He's here as well, so he's just going to give you his details.
That's no problem.
Right, should we start off with the phone number?
Yes, please. Yeah.
Alright, it's 077. That's a property on London Road. London Road. I think it's the one at the bottom. Yeah, so I've got a couple of questions on the property. So I know the area quite well and I know what I'll do to this property. However, so I'd be offering in the region of 245. Do you know if it's worth still coming to view the property? So I've seen.
See, that's a magic of
Yeah, the white one.
yesterday.
Yeah.
Desperate, bring it. No.
You don't? Because, alright, well, do you think you can help me out? Because I've seen it's been on the market for some time, and I'm just wondering, do you know what the least that they're willing to accept on this property? Yeah.
I'm confused.
Yeah, of course. So
Reduced.
I'm just wondering because I want to move quite fast. So my first viewing, I want it to be with one of my members of the team. However, I would quite like to know what the least. Yeah. So, yeah, of course, yeah. So I did say 245. That's the only figure I've worked out at the moment. However, if you could help me out and meet me in the middle with, what's the least he could, what's the least he would accept it for to take it off the market, and then I can crunch some figures basically. Because right now I don't have it, but then maybe like if you help me out, I can crunch figures and then we'll make it work out. What? What do you mean? I am best, so I'll be a cash buyer.
Or bridge.
Or bridge, sorry. Yeah.
It's a cool colour, I think.
Mhm. Yeah. I don't. So, yeah, it would be cash or bridge. It's Jack, and that's 077. She actually asked me what's the maximum I could offer.
Clever.
She switched it around. Yeah.
Yeah, because you're talking about offers.
Mhm.
Yeah, and also so this is very key, like words are powerful. You think one word doesn't make too much difference, it does. You said the word however. What does that tell you when I say however? Hey listen, I'm looking at this road, I'm looking at this property on this road, and yeah, it's this one. Yeah, you know the one down the bottom? Yeah, so I know exactly what I'm doing it. However,
It brings it down, doesn't it?
yes.
You don't know exactly what you're doing.
Yeah, so however what? Like what's some bad news now?
Yeah.
Yeah, so
What did I actually say after? I can't remember.
you don't know what you say after, that's the thing. Because already they're like, okay, however what, it's like saying but, it's like saying, oh you're amazing, but.
Yeah.
Yeah, so then it's like just be careful you don't use words that take away from all the credibility that you earn.
Yeah.
Yeah, and remember the specific phrase that you do. You say, hey, I know exactly what I'm doing to it. Look, I'm just wondering, my offer, once I've viewed it, if everything is as it is, would be around, I'm not saying my offer is, I'm saying it would be around 245,000. Is it still worth me coming to see it or not? And just be quiet. Now let the conversation happen.
Yeah.
Because if you start going, oh, it would be this, it is this, but if you can meet me halfway in the middle and tell me what it is, all of that stuff. Just say, look, I think it's a whole different call if you do that. Because you're just saying, look, my offer's around 245. Is it worth me coming to have a look, or no? What do you suggest? Whatever words you want to use, it's up to you. But that's what the principle is. You're just saying, offer's 45. I just wondering if it's worth me coming to see it or not.
Yeah.
Because then, like, she took control and started saying, oh, what's the most you can offer and all the rest of it. So that now you're in a difficult position. But if you just say, Martha's going to be around 245,000, it's still worth me coming to sit or not. And you want to say, don't say 245. What sounds more, 245 or 245,000? Which sounds more?
245,000.
So do you want to sell a property for the least or the most?
The most.
Okay, so say it the way it sounds the most.
Yeah.
It's tiny stuff, but it more makes a big difference.
Mhm.
Yeah. So then what happened?
Oh, and then she said she's going to go speak to the vendor
And see if you can do 245.
and see if he can do it lower. Yeah.
Yeah. Or she's going to go and see what's the willing.
What's the least? She said she doubts he'll go 245, but then she'll go and see what he can do for the least.
Okay, cool. So they're going to ring you back. Is that Emporio?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Awesome. Good job. But all I need to be worried about is what's going on.
Right now.
The next step. I mean, you've got to have a holistic vision of what the big picture is. But all the details in between, there and there, just don't really matter. You figure it out, you'll know what to do. As long as you know what. It's like, if you put into your sat-nav where you're going, yeah, whatever happens on the road in front of you, you can't pull out onto a road and say, well, Google didn't tell me this car was going to be here. You know, that's it, I'm going to. It's like, okay, I know where I'm going, so I'll deal with I just deal with it. Road closes, okay, well I've got to go a different way now. Or, I'm tired, maybe I've got to stop. Or maybe I'm hungry, so I'm going to stop. I never said I was going to stop there. I think that those days are gone, where people used to get the A to Z out and say, right, we're going to drive from here to here, we're going to stop, we're going to have a picnic on this bench, and then we're going to go to dinner. I don't think I'm going to do this anymore. Or maybe it's just me. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, because you just deal with it. Why? Because you know what's happening at the end. So have your view, but don't worry about all the rest of it. This is just, whatever happens here, you just deal with it. One chop. That's it. Awesome. Okay, good. So let's make some more calls. Go away your mindset, actually, in front of listening again. That's it.
Hi there, I'm calling in regards to one of your properties on Newtown Road in Worcester.
Yeah.
Yes, yeah. So I've got a couple of questions. Are you the right person to talk to?
I should be the right person to talk to, so I hope I can help.
Yeah, perfect. So if I was going for this property, due to the structural changes inside, I would be offering in the region of 187,500. So I'm just willing, do you know if the vendor's open to offers in this region?
That's difficult for me to say, unfortunately. I would need to speak to the vendor because my both my figures that low.
Yes, yeah, of course.
So yeah, no, this window I would need to speak to them.
No, yeah, I understand. Yeah, I understand that. It's just basically, I want to move quite fast. So my first viewing, I preferably would want it to be with a member of my team. So, do you think you could get a hold of the vendor and work out if he's open to that sort of figure, and then we can move forward in for a viewing?
Property in Whitehall Road?
187,
Yeah, 187,500.
Is the vendor open to offers at all?
yeah. Okay, and can I ask where you're calling from?
Sorry, is in like where I'm from?
Okay, because I'm looking at an offer in the region of 240,000.
Yeah,
I just want to know if that's something that...
No, it would just be it would be a build team, so project manager or builder. So yeah, that's what I meant, yeah. Yeah, my name's Jack. Yeah, actually no, it's not, sorry. It will be 077.
They're anyway.
Well, I would quite like to know if he's open to that, because that's the figure I've got at the moment. However, if for some reason he wouldn't be open to this, then I'd be really grateful if you could tell me what the least he's willing to work with, and then I can crunch some figures and maybe make it work. But at the moment, it is 187,500.
Yeah, so what's your price?
240.
It would probably be with a bridge, so it'd be quick.
No?
No, 240.
Thank you, that's perfect. Thank you very much. Goodbye.
This is a big property. It's
Just
currently a
go back to him, just say, bear me a second, let me just run something.
Sorry to keep you there. Bear with me a second, I'm just going to run some numbers and see if I can increase my offer slightly.
Is it still recording?
Yeah.
So how do you feel since the difference from this morning
Yeah.
until now?
I feel a lot more awake, alert, and ready to go. Really.
Why?
Because we've seen results in a couple of hours, so it's just made me think.
What results have you seen?
I've seen 3 people go back to find if the vendor's going to accept around about my offer, which is perfect. It's just what I wanted. Got my outcome, really.
Awesome. Okay, good. So what are you going to do differently from this moment forward, based on what you learned today?
I'm just going to keep doing it. The same thing that we just done this
What is it
morning.
you're going to keep doing?
Call in, looking at deals, and not checking the spreadsheet all the time.
Okay, good. Awesome.
Hey, thank you for watching. And as you can see, it's really important to have a process that you follow step by step. Now, check out the rest of our videos. Don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel, Real Life Group. Turn on the notifications as well, because we send out new videos, and we're going to have other stories and other successes where you can literally just model what other people are doing, following the process, making it happen. So don't forget to do the right thing for the right reason, because that's the only way you're going to discover your true potential.